right, it's on, and they can hear us. Wave and say, hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
All right. You good to go?
Yes.
Hey, here we go. Your mommy's right over there. Get ready. You'll see her when we pass her. Heritage Creek, Blue Savanna, departing runway 13, Heritage Creek.
Hi, Mommy.
And here we go. Fuel pump is off. How you go? Here we go. Woohoo! How do you like it?
Yes.
Fun, huh? We're flying. Woohoo! You want to go fly past your mommy and wave again?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna start it all over.
Say again?
I'm gonna start it all over.
Okay.
Cleveland traffic, Fly Papa Archer turning right crosswind, runway 15, Cleveland.
Where's Mommy at?
On the ground, you'll see her. We'll go fly past her, okay?
Hey.
Oh, she's going to be on my side this time.
I just want to see her.
Okay. She's going to be on my side this time.
Cleveland traffic, Fly Papa Archer turning right downwind 15, Cleveland.
See the lake down there and the pretty, isn't it pretty up here?
Yes.
So pretty.
But where's Mommy?
Heritage Creek, Blue Savanna turning final for runway 13. It's be a low pass, Heritage Creek.
I want to keep flying every time I come.
Okay. You can fly every time you come here.
I just want to start it all over again.
Okay. Here we go to the ground.
Yes. That
Your
was.
mommy's going to be on this side this time. Okay?
On there now?
Yes, they're going to be on this side. Isn't it fun?
Yes.
Heritage Creek, Blue Savanna turning left crosswind, runway 13, staying in the pattern, Heritage Creek. Heritage Creek, Blue Savanna turning left downwind, runway 13, Heritage Creek. Isn't it pretty to see out? Look at all the little ponds and the houses. You can see everything. So pretty.
Over here.
Yeah, look at the green. The green fields.
Where's Mommy? I don't see her.
Get down there on the ground. We're going to land now and stop, okay?
I want to start it all over again.
This will be enough for today because we got to go eat. Okay?
Can I make it fly again?
Probably not today. All right. Heritage Creek, Blue Savanna turning left base, runway 13. This will be a full stop, Heritage Creek. That's a little bumpy today.
What?
It's a little bumpy today. In the air, it's a little bumpy. But it's fun. Look at the lake over here on my side. Wow. Harris Creek, Blue Savanna turning final for only
Where's
13, full
Mommy
stop,
now?
Harris Creek. She'll be right there waiting for us.
This one.
Hang on, I'm landing, just a minute. All right. Your first flight. Awesome, huh?
Mommy now.
Well, go see her.
This one, right here.
Bam. When I move this one, that makes that one move.
I see my airplane. See.
Yep, yep.
I'm gonna go see her. I see Ryan.
See Ryan?
Hi, Mommy. Ah.
There's Ryan. There's Mommy, see her?